Welcome back to another video. This video is just kind of like a time-lapse slash update. I wish I would have posted this on on Saturday, but it is what it is. And we're finally here. You're finally able to see this video. This is the final product and the final look, and we finally get to go and just watch the process together. But as we're watching the process, I just want to give y'all an update of what's been going on with pregnancy wise and video wise. So, video wise, if you want to see, if you're new to this channel, I do a lot of crafting stuff, and I do have two other videos before this one, and it's in a doily playlist. So if you want to go on there to look at the previous two videos, the first video is like how to get started, and it's a bigger yarn so you could see the detail that I put into it. And then I show you, like, I finish up the letter H, and I show y'all like how I use the grid to do the fillers and stuff like that. And then this one is just me showing you the process. But next week should be me doing or starting on or actually this week. I say next week, but hopefully I get this up by Wednesday, which is tomorrow. And then it's my birthday on Thursday. And then Saturday, I'm hoping to be able to at least show y'all like the first video where I take a bigger and thicker yarn and I show y'all in a bigger size yarn how to do the edging or how to do like the frilly lace part on the ends. And then next week will be me doing it on this little piece right here. I probably won't film the whole thing, but I'm going to try and do my best. But the outside edge really doesn't take that long, so we should be good. After that, I would like to do some Halloween themed doilies because, Halloween's coming up, and I would like to do a few little like rags or washcloths for y'all so that you can see or you can do some washcloths for any presents or the holidays, or maybe you just want to make some washcloths for your house for the holidays. So I have a few washcloth tutorials that I have out because last year I did Hooktober, but this October I will be 100% with my babies, with a fresh baby and with my oldest baby, and we're going to be prepping for Halloween and being in the Halloween spirit and mood, and me just trying to keep up with two kids. But my husband, when I have my baby in September, he goes on paternity leave, and so it'll be like September to half of October that he will actually be off of work. So that will be nice, and I might film like what it's like that my husband was off on paternity leave, because I feel like that's very rare, but I'm really excited for it. But recently I was diagnosed with gestational diabetes, and I was told that I am diabetic because I did tell my doctor that before I was on metformin and that they took me off. So I thought I just didn't have diabetes, and they're like, no, once you're diabetic, you're always diabetic. You just probably curbed it and managed it really well, because I was not feeling as bad as I do right now. Like, now I'm like, no, like, my sugars are high, my sugars are low. Like, it's more intense when you're pregnant because you have a smaller window of blood sugar milligrams or milliliters that you can actually do. So instead of like 70 to like 160, I have to stay between 70 and 140, and I can't go below, I can't go below 70 and I can't go above 140. In the mornings I have to be lower than 90, and so I've been keeping up with that. I have to write down everything that I eat, like down to butter and how much butter I use not salt because spices don't really matter, but it's a lot of work. But right now, if it's Wednesday, I am 31 weeks and 3 days. No, 31 weeks and 5 days on Wednesday, and then 31 weeks and 6 days on Thursday, my birthday, and then 32 weeks on Friday. So, yeah, that's where I'm at. I have 9 more weeks to go right now, but it'll be 8 more weeks to go by Friday. So I'm not nervous, been there, done that. I'm just more excited this go around. Last time I was nervous because I've never had a C-section and I never had anything, no needles in my back or anything like that. But this go around, I am prepared for it. It really wasn't that bad the first time, so the second time I'm just all for it, and I'm just not ready to get it done. I'm taking my time. I was trying to go into labor last time that I did it, and labor is not fun. So I rather just hold off for as long as I can and then just schedule my C-section and just not even have to deal with cramps, aching, or pains that I did when I was trying to get into labor, because I successfully did it. I was going into labor and it hurt really bad. So all you women that have natural or, vaginal births and stuff, I highly, highly respect you. But I like doing my C-section, which C-sections are actually actually worse than vaginal. Vaginal, yes, I don't know. Everybody has their own opinion about it. I don't want to say C-section is has a higher mortality rate, but I think it does. But either way, we're all moms here and we're all badasses, and I'm ready for my baby to be here, but I'm going to take my time because last time I felt like I rushed it, and I am enjoying being pregnant. The only thing we need to do right now is just get the nursery together. Now that I've had my baby shower, I am ready for the nursery to be done. But I'm just going to end that little update here, and this is the final product. Again, this is what I showed y'all at the beginning of the video, nothing different, and I hope y'all enjoyed this as much as I did, and hopefully I will not skip 2 weeks in a row of not filming or having my videos be filmed or posted on another day. So hopefully we can get back to our regular scheduled posts. So I'll see y'all next week. Bye. Or this week. Bye.